there's a myriad of AI marketing tools. As a matter of fact, I've included a link to 75 AI tools, some of them free, some of them paid. I'm not an affiliate to any of them. It's a Notion link, I think, that a member of my staff found and dropped in our Slack channel, but I thought it was amazing. It's really worth you taking the time to play with some of these. There are AI marketing tools for copywriting, images and graphics, videos and animations, audio, optimization, learning, processes, development, targeting, governance, attribution, and reporting, and a whole bunch of things that I haven't even thought of or found. Those last three, by the way, those are the primary marketing tools when it comes to driving traffic. So, for instance, we use AI tools from a company called Pixis, and Pixis helps with targeting, governance, attribution. It also helps with media creation, but there's a bunch of them, like ChatGPT, for instance. And I know you're probably already aware, if you haven't played with ChatGPT, by the way, you absolutely have to. But Jasper, Midjourney, there's so many AI tools, they're just coming out of the woodwork. It's unbelievable. This is not a glitch. I'm interrupting the video you're watching because I want to remind you that we provide done-for-you Google Ads services. We're the #1 ranked Google Ads agency on the planet with almost $100 million in ad spend under management. If you're an entrepreneur, business owner, C-level exec, director of marketing, and you're managing your own Google Ads, I think that's a massively inefficient use of your time. As a matter of fact, in my experience, within 90 days, we're able to optimize existing campaigns to a point to where we're paying for ourselves. We move from being a cost center to a profit center, and I want to put my time and my money where my mouth is. If you're spending $10,000 a month or more in Google Ads, I want to offer you a free, no obligation action plan. A high-level member of my team, one of our strategists, will look at your account, open the hood, and do a full diagnostic and explain everything that we would recommend that you change in order to optimize your campaigns. You can take that, do it yourself, you can hand it to an internal member of your team, or, in an ideal world, you can hire us. I'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Please go to sol8.com. That's SOL, the number 8.com. Request your free action plan. Until then, back to your regularly scheduled program. Y'all, there's so much fun. There's so much fun, and you can't afford not to play with them. Because you can't afford not to begin to establish some rudimentary understanding of the way that you're able to interface with these tools. Now, with that said, you don't need to be the first mover, period, full stop. And I'm going to be very bullish on that point. Google wasn't the first search engine. Facebook wasn't the first social media profile. Apple wasn't the first anything. Apple didn't create the first personal computer, the first smartphone, the first smartwatch, the first tablet. All these companies did is wait in the wings and then improve upon what was already done. So if you have this frantic, like, oh my goodness, I need to adopt AI, I don't think that's the case. Pay attention. And if people in your industry are early adopters, maybe the pressure placed upon you will increase in direct proportion to how your competitors are utilizing this product or tool. But if you don't know how to use AI, well, that's okay. Then don't. It's just like crypto. It's just like anything blockchain or NFTs. Like, if you don't know what it's for, don't use it. And I hope that takes some of the pressure off of you. Diversity is resilience. Phenomenal quote by Juan Pablo Quinones, who's a survivalist, which you might think to yourself, like, what could a survivalist teach me about Google Ads? But for real, first of all, do you hear that fool's name? Like, if he came for you, it's over. It's over. Played by a young Antonio Banderas, obviously.